Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 5, Course 1. First, let's have a short review of our previous lesson. Couleur. Let's try this. Bleu. Rouge. Jaune. Vert. Verte. Marron. Violet. Violette. Rose. Noir. Blanc. Blanche. Gris. Orange. La table. La chaise. Le sac. Le livre. Le miroir. Le stylo. Very good. Let's now start our lesson 5. La nourriture. Food. First, le pain. Le pain. Bread. You can see over here the phonetic A-I-N sounds un. Un. Pain. Quite the same as the phonetic U and N. Un, the preposition a in English. Next, du riz. Du riz. Rice. In French, for most words, we do not pronounce the consonants at the end of words. Letter Z is then silent. Riz. Un œuf. Un œuf. An egg. You can hear we link this preposition to the next word. Un œuf. Also, the phonetic O, E, U sounds œuf, as if letter O was silent. Un œuf. La viande. La viande. The meat. Du porc. Du porc. Pork. Again, letter C is silent. Porc. Du poulet. Du poulet. Chicken. Here, letter T isn't actually silent. It is added to turn this into a phonetic E. Du poulet. Poulet. Very good. Du bœuf. Du bœuf. Beef. Same as an egg, letter O is silent. Also, you probably noticed this preposition du, which means some. Du bœuf. Du poisson. Du poisson. Fish. Des légumes. Des légumes. Vegetables. La laitue. La laitue. Lettuce. Un oignon. Sounds quite the same. You can see here, in French, when you put G and N together, it sounds gne. Gne. Oignon. Also, letter I is silent. Oignon. De l'ail. De l'ail. Garlic. Un poivron. Un poivron. Bell pepper. Une carotte. Une carotte. carrot. Une tomate. Une tomate. Tomato. Quite easy. Les fruits. Fruits. Our first fruit will be une pomme. Une pomme. An apple. In French, letter O sounds O unless it is placed before two consonants. It will sound O. O. Une pomme. Very good. Une banane. Une banane. A banana. Un ananas. Un ananas. A pineapple. Again, we link the preposition un with the word ananas. Un ananas. Un ananas. Great. Une fraise. Une fraise. A strawberry. Des raisins. Des raisins. Grapes. La boisson. The drink. Le lait. Le lait. Milk. Du thé. Du thé. Tea. Letter H is silent. Du sucre. Du sucre. Sugar. Du miel. Du miel. Honey. Now, let's learn few terms to be able to express our desires. J'aimerais. J'aimerais. I would like. J'aimerais. Avec. Avec. With. Let's have a short practice. Entraînement. You will need to change the words in red into words we just learned. Féculent, over here, means grains. Protéines, proteins. Légumes, we saw it earlier, vegetables. Fruits, fruits. Boissons, drinks. Édulcorants, sweeteners. Let's try this. Let's check if you put correct words. J'aimerais du riz avec du poulet et des poivrons. Which means I would like rice with chicken and bell peppers. Second sentence. J'aimerais une pomme avec du lait et du miel. Not so easy, right? For more practice, try to use some other words and fill in. Good luck! Otherwise, let's have a review of everything we've learned today. Ready? La nourriture. Le pain. Le riz. Un œuf. La viande. Le poulet. Le porc. Du bœuf. Le poisson. Les légumes. La laitue. un oignon, de l'ail, le poivron, une carotte, une tomate, les fruits, une pomme, une banane, un ananas, une fraise, des raisins, la boisson, le lait, du thé, du sucre, du miel, j'aimerais, avec. Great! How did it go today? To memorize all the new words, feel free to practice some more. Good luck and great job! Bravo! Congratulations! Au revoir et à bientôt! Bonjour et bienvenue! Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 6, Course 1. First, let's have a short review of our previous lesson. Résumé. Let's try. La nourriture, le pain, le riz, un œuf, la viande, le poulet, le porc, du bœuf, le poisson, les légumes, la laitue, un oignon, de l'ail, le poivron, une carotte, une tomate, les fruits, une pomme, une banane, un ananas, une fraise, des raisins, la boisson, le lait, du thé, du sucre, du miel, j'aimerais, avec. Très bien, very good. Let's start our lesson 6. The alphabet, l'alphabet. You can hear here, in French, letter T placed at the end of words is silent. Anyways, here it is changing the sound of letter E, that sounds E in French, into E. L'alphabet. First letter. Lettre A. A. B. B. You will probably notice the consonants that sounds E in English sound E in French. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. Be careful here. We do not put any sound like J, J, but simple. J, J, G, G. H, H. I, I. J, J. Again, we do not put any sound like J. Simple. J, J, J. Also, you probably noticed letter G and J in English are switched in French. G et J. K, K. L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R. Be very careful here. In French, the letter R is not as pronounced as in Spanish or in German. R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U. To pronounce this letter properly, in French we say faire la bouche en cul de poule, which literally means you shape your mouth as a chicken's butt. U, V, V, W, W. In English, you say double U, 2 times letter U. In French, it is 2 times letter V, V, W. X, X, Y, Y. That sounds Y in a word. It's very, very far from its phonetic. Y, Z, Z. Very good. Let's now have a short review of what we've just learned. Let's do this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, be careful, H, I, J, be careful again, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y et Z. Very good. For any more practice and to memorize it well, rewind as much as you need it. Otherwise, all done for today. Very good job. Good luck. Keep on the good work. Bravo. Congratulations. Au revoir.